Hey guys, what's happening? How to stake on Kraken Pro app. So once you're logged in with your credentials, you're gonna see earn at the bottom right, like with the percentage on it at the bottom right. So go ahead and hit it, right? And basically you're gonna see right here which crypto you can earn from, right? You can see right here I'm earning from Ethereum by staking Ethereum, and as you can see, the available option to stake, for now at least, is Ethereum, right? You can use also Bitcoin for that, and you're gonna see the percentage of earnings, right? If you are lazy and don't want to trade or go in every day and trade with Kraken, you can just make that make or leverage that stake and earn from it while you sleep. So I'm gonna select the Ethereum right here, right? And as you can see, this is my expected profit, right? As you can see, 2 to 5% APR or 2.25 or 6.5% APR depending on the market, obviously. You can select the bounded restaking, right? Or the bonded. So hit review at the bottom and then hit staking. By swiping to the right, you will start earning rewards after the one bonding period ends. So if you unstake, your Ethereum will be locked for 14-day unbonding period and will earn no rewards. So if you want to confirm, just go ahead and hit confirm, and now they initiated that staking, and now you're gonna be able to earn from the market while you sleep. If you don't want to trade, if you're a lazy trader and just looking for easy money, stake is the way to go. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.